Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Netflix to TV from your phone. Okay? It is actually pretty easy to do. So first up, go ahead and open up the Netflix app from your TV. Okay? Now once you have it open, just go ahead and go to the top right. Now make sure to click on the sign in button. Okay? Click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, we have QR code and a number. So first up, open up the camera app on your phone. Or you can go ahead and open up the Google app, like so. Open it up and use the camera right here. Once done, right here, this one camera, okay? Use that, tap on it, then point your camera right here in the square, then just go ahead and tap on the magnifying icon, then tap on the link. Wait for Netflix to open, and in here, you can just go ahead and select your profile where you want it to use for your TV. Right here, tap on it. Now enter the code if you have set up a code. If not, it will not need you to enter a code, okay? Like so, wait for it. Wait for a pop-up, as you can see here. If the numbers right here are correct, if it match, all right, just go ahead and tap on sign in. It says here you're all set. Wait for your TV to reload. As you can see here, Netflix is now opening. You can now go ahead and tap on dismiss right here. Close your phone. Now go ahead and select a profile. Like so. The code. And then wait for it. And enjoy. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.